Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Okay, there is only 3 girls here. Where is the others? What you have before math? Could you please tell me on the chat what do you have before math? French? Okay. Okay. We will wait the girls because you are late. Okay, girls. So today we will start a new lesson. Please bring your books and open it on page 335. Okay, I think you are. There is only 8 girls in the session. Now we will start. I think all of you here, inshallah. Okay, girls. So today our lesson is problem solving decimal operations. We will use decimal operations to solve a problem. Now we will see which strategy when you will use it to solve multi-step problem. I have to here to start with the first one, and let's read together to understand the problem. The first step, how I will read and understand the problem. First thing, on page 35, Carson spent $15.99 for 2 books and 3 pens. Okay, the books cost $4.95 each, so each book cost $4.95. The sales tax on the total purchase was $1.22. The sales tax, that's mean the taxes, okay, the taxes on the total of money is 1.22. Carson also used a coupon for $0.50 of his purchase. So this coupon, that's mean discount, okay? If each pen had the same cost, how much did each pen cost? Okay, here I have a lot of things and a lot of numbers. I have to understand the relationship between those numbers. It will be addition or subtraction. So today we will here make those words operation between the numbers. It will be addition or subtraction according to the meaning here. So first thing, what do I need to find? What do I need to find? Did you remember I solved before a problem, I think, and I told you what do I need to find? Those 3 steps is to read the problem. That means I have to understand the problem by answering those 3 steps. Girls, please stop typing on the chat or I will close it. Okay? Please stop typing on the chat or I will close the chat. So, first step or first question, what do I need to find? I told you, what do I need to find is the question in the problem. The question, that means the last sentence in the problem. What is the question? What is the question? I have to look at this, look for the question mark here. If each pen had the same cost, how much did each pen cost? Okay, so this is what I need to know. This is what I need to find. This is what I need to solve in this problem. So what do I need to find? I need to find the cost of each pen. Okay, so the answer for this question is I need to find the cost of each pen. Okay, so this is the answer. So always the answer for this question, what do I need to find in any problem, is the last question in the problem, the last sentence in the problem. Okay, now what information do I need to use? Information, as I said before, information means the numbers in the problem. So information is the numbers in the problem. Stop typing, girls. Okay, Ghuzlan, stop typing. What information do I need to use? I have here to read or to write here the numbers in the problem. So I have 15.99 for 2 books and 3 pens. So he spent this person, he spent 15.99. Okay. So I have to write this. Carson spent 15.99 for 2 books and 3 pens. So I have to write the first number. Carson spent $15.99 for 2 books and 3 pens. This is the first number. This is the first number in the problem. Now, what about the second one? Each book costs $4.95. Each book costs $4.95. Girls, I want you to write with me the answers, because when I finished, I will go to the next step. So I will not wait because we don't have time. So please write with me the answers, okay? So this is the first number. The second one is what? Is the cost for each step, for each book. Okay, so each book costs $4.95. I have to write this number also. So each book costs $4.95. What also? I have another number after that. This number 1.99 is the taxes. The taxes. So I have a tax here. This tax is 1.99. Okay? So that means this is a VAT. Okay? So I have to write it also. It's 1.99 for tax, and I have a tax was 1.99, sorry, 1.22, sorry, I'm sorry, 1.22. Okay, I'm sorry, I said 1.99, I know. It's 1.22, and I have a coupon. That means I have a discount here. He uses discount. This coupon for $0.50 or $5. So I have to write it also. A coupon for 0.50 off. Okay. So also I have to write this number. He used coupon for 0.50 off. $0.50 off. Okay. So this is the answer for this step, yours. So this step help me to take all the numbers from the problem and put it in the same place, on this in this place, to use it when I want to solve this problem. Okay, now how will I use the information? Okay, how will I use the information? Okay, so I will here write the strategy that I will use it to find the answer. So you know, from the first slide I told you which strategy here we will use it. If you can write it here, the strategy that I will use it is backward, work backward. That's mean I will use the backward operation to find the answer. So this is the strategy that I will use it in decimal problems. Okay, so I have here to write the strategy that I will use it to find the answer for this, or to solve this problem. So here I can use I can work here backward from the amount that Carson, or he, spent to find the cost of each pen. Okay, so I will use this strategy to find the cost for each pen. So the strategy is work backward. That's mean I will take the first amount that he spent on those books and pens, and I will backward to find the cost for the pens. Okay, did you finish? Now we will see the strategy that we mentioned here in this question. Okay, girls, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat, because I will erase this. Please, I want you to be quickly. Just one time. Sheikha. Okay. Now I will move to the next slide. Keep the last one, this one. Okay, I will keep it. Actually, I can't because I have to erase it. Okay, I will wait 1 minute, girls. Please be quickly. Okay, now I will move to the next slide. Now, girls, this is the strategy that we mentioned, which is the work backward. What that's mean? That's mean I have here to decide the operation between those two numbers is addition, that's mean plus, or subtraction, that's mean minus. Okay, we didn't say anything, Lana. Now I will explain for you, so focus with me. So first thing, you know that he spent a money. What the amount of the money that he spent for those 2 books and 3 pens? Okay, what the amount of the money? He spent what? 15.99, right? This is the whole money that he spent. Okay, that means this money I have to break it. I have to break it into amount for the books, amount for the pens, amount for the book, amount for the pen. Also, he mentioned a tax, that's mean a VAT, and also a discount. So this money, this whole money, girls, in the red here, in the red circle, this is the whole money that Carson spent for everything he bought. So 15.99 spent for the books, also for the pens. There is a tax and there is a discount. But what is the relationship between those items? What is the relationship? Girls, you are typing on the chat and I am explaining for you. Please, now you will say, teacher, I don't understand. And please, girls, I'm asking you, stop typing and focus with me. This is very important. So, girls, this amount of money spent for books, for pens, for tax, and there is a discount. I have to take it. So the books cost what? Cost here $4.95 for each book. How many books I have? How many books? I have 2 books, right? That's mean I have here the cost for those 2 books is 2 multiply what? 4.95, because each one costs 4.95. So that's mean I have to multiply it with 2 because the Carson bought 2 books. Okay, so the first thing here is the books. Here in this square, in this strategy, is the books. Okay, the books here in this strategy, can you see it here? The cost for the books is what? Is the cost for each one multiply 2, because I have 2 books. Okay, so this is the first number. I have to fill it here in this strategy. 4.95. Okay. Also, this money goes for 3 pence, which is I want to find the cost for each pen. Okay, so I have 3 pens, but I don't know here the cost for each one. That's mean I have to find the cost for the pen, which is the unknown number that I want to find it. If I can here find B, okay, B, to mention that this is the cost for the pen, and the cost for the pen must be multiplied by what? By the number of pens. How many pens I have? I have 3 pens. He spent, or he bought 3 pens. So I have to multiply 3 by B, which is the unknown number that I want to find it. Because I want to find what? How much did each pen cost? This is what I want to find. This is B. This is the unknown number in the problem. Okay? So the cost for of each pen multiplied 2 is this, the second number. The second number in this strategy. Okay? Also, I have to add what? The tax, the VAT. You know the VAT? When you go anywhere, you buy something, you have a VAT on this thing. Okay, so also that the VAT is the tax. This tax is from the 15.99. So he spent his money also to on the, where is it, 1.22, the tax. So also I have to add what? $1.22. Okay, so those 15.99 goes for 3 things, girls. 3 things. 2 books. Also 3 pens. Also tax. I have a tax here. This is the tax. All those was 15.99. So the total of the money, the total of money here is $15.99. But actually I forgot something. What is this thing? This is the coupon. The coupon is what? Is a discount. Discount. So when I have a discount, that's mean I have a minus. The discount means a minus. Okay? That's mean I have to subtract from the money what? $0.50. So this is what? This is a discount for me. So I have to subtract from the whole amount $0.50. So the operation between all money is addition, here addition, here addition, but here I have subtraction before the coupon, because the coupon means what? Discount. Welcome, Lana. Okay, girls, you have to think about it like this. Now look, girls, I have everything is known for me, but I have what? The number of pens. So what I have to do now, let's see the total spent here. The total spent is 15.99, and the amount of the cost of the books is 2 multiply 4.95. Also the tax is known for me. What I have to do here to find the cost for the pen, let's see. I will do it here next to the problem first, then I will write the answer. Okay, so I will take, to find the cost of the pen, I will take the whole amount of the money and subtract from it the cost of the book and the tax. So the answer will be what? The answer will be the cost of 3 pence. So let's see. I will take the total of the money. This number is 15.99. First, I have to subtract from this number, what? The cost of 2 books, which is 2 multiply 4.95. Try to multiply 4.95 by 2 to find the answer. Yes, I think Emma, you give me the right answer. It will be 9.9. Try to multiply it as we learned. It will be 9.9. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Real. Also, I have to take from this amount the tax that he spent it. The tax is 1.22. But there is something. Here I have to add the coupon. Why I have to add the coupon? Because the coupon already is a discount. That's mean if you subtracted when you want to pay, that's mean when you want to find the cost of the pence, you have to add it. That's mean it will be 0.50. Okay. Now you have to do this operation. Okay, I will do it here next to the. Okay, I will do it here. It will be first thing 15.99 plus 0.50. First thing. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 9 plus 5 equals 15 equals 14. I will put 4 here and 1 above the 10. Don't forget to take the 0 point. Okay, I will write it here. 4. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6 and 1. This is the answer for this addition. Okay, I have to do what now? The subtraction. So I have to subtract from this number what? 1.22. Let's subtract 1.22. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 4 minus 2 equals 2. I have to put the decimal point. 6 minus 1 equals 5 and take the 1 down. Also, this is the answer for this operation. I have now to do the minus here. That's mean I have to subtract 9.9 from this one. Okay. Okay, girls, I will write it here because I think you can see it down. So it will be 15.27 minus 9.9. Let's subtract. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 2 minus 9, I have to borrow from the 5, it will be 4, and this 2 will be 12. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Then I will take the decimal point down. 4 minus 9, I can't. Of course, I have to borrow from the 1, it will be 0. And this one will be 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. So this is the number here. $5.37. Okay, because we multiplied 4.95 by 2, the answer will be 9.9. This is the answer for this, the multiplication here. Who asked me? Okay, so this is the amount or the cost of 3 pens. I want to find the cost for each pen. What I have to do? What I have to do? To find the cost of each pen, I have to divide the amount for 3 pens on 3 by 3. So I have to divide 5.37 by 3. As we learned in division, how I will divide? Okay, let's try to divide here. 5.7 or 30, sorry, 37 by 3. Okay, first thing, 5 divided 3. How many 3 in the 5? It's 1. So I will put 1 and multiply 1 by 3. It will be 3. Then I have to subtract. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now I will take the decimal point up and take the 3 down. Okay, 23 divided to 3 equals what? If you try, it will be 7. Because 7 multiply 3 equals 21. Girls, stop typing on the chat, please. So I will subtract. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, I will write here. Now I will take the 7. 27 divided 3 equals 9, because 9 multiplied 3 equals 27. Then I have to subtract. It will be 0. Okay, so the amount here, or the quotient, which is the answer for this division, is $1.79. This is the cost for each pen. This is the cost for each pen. Okay, girls, so I think we don't have time to solve the problem on page 336 because you are late today. So we will not solve it. I want you to take a homework on page 339. I want you to find the answer for number 2. Just number 2, okay? The homework will be number 2 only, okay? Now I will repeat the solution. Here I want to find the answer, or here I want to find how much did each pen cost. No, you have a homework. So the homework will be on page 339, just number 2. Okay, so girls, first thing, I have to use the word backward to find the cost for each pen. So the whole money that Carson spent is 15.99. This money spent for what? For the books, that each book costs 4.95. That's mean the cost for 2 books is what? Is 2 multiply this money. 2 multiply this money. Also, this money goes for a tax, which is $1.22. This money goes for the pens, which is, I have here 3 pens, and I want to find the amount for each pen, or the cost for each pen. Stop typing on the chat, please. Stop typing on the chat, please. Okay, you have a discount. You have a discount or a coupon. This discount is 0.5. So all those money is taking from 15.99 is taking. That's mean what? That's mean you have to subtract all those, right? You have to subtract. That's what I said here. You have to subtract. But this coupon is a discount. Discount. That's mean you have to add it to this money when you want to know the cost for the pens. No, it's not nothing wrong, Larissa. Which step you mean? Nothing wrong. So first thing you have to put the total spent, the total money, 15.99, and add the offer or the coupon. Okay, add the coupon for this money. Then you have to take from the whole money. Now I have the whole money. You have to take from it the the tax that you spent it, the cost for the two books, to find the cost for the three pens. When you add those, this is an operation between the numbers, between the decimal number. You will find the cost for three pens. Then you have to divide this number by 3 because you have 3 pens. I want to find the cost for each one, so I have to divide this number by 3 to find it. As we learned before, it will be 1.9079. Okay, Larissa, why you did? Okay, quickly, Larissa, tell me which step you mean. The session is ended. You mean you put all this sentence? You put the sentence all on the calculator, and it will give you what? And in both way, it gives you the same. It's the same. You mean the final answer? Okay, Larissa, I think you have something wrong. Okay, Larissa, I think you have. Where's 10? Okay, Larissa. Okay, dear. Okay, Larissa. Okay. Thank you. Now, girls, the answer is correct. Okay, this is the answer. If you don't have this answer, that's mean you have something wrong. You can send for me a video how you will do it on the calculator, and I will give you or I will tell you what is your mistake. Okay, girls, don't forget to do the homework. The homework on page 339, just problem 2. Okay, thank you so much, girls, for attending today. Have a nice day and see you inshallah.